Welcome back to another video. My name is Max. This is John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel where every day we're putting Apple CarPlay into all sorts of vehicles. Now this video is about a Mercedes V-Class and our ZZ2 Linux-based screen solution, which gives you a much larger screen, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It's a nice wide screen as well. So if I just spin the camera around, here is what the finished product looks like, all supplied and fitted in. Just a little bit of a look around the side there. The screen beforehand was a bit smaller and wasn't touchscreen, and now this customer has Apple CarPlay, which works through touchscreen. Very nice responsive screen to use. You can use the rotary control dial down here as well. Apple CarPlay all works wireless on the screen, mainly aimed at giving the customers Google Maps, Waze, nicer navigation, much nicer way of using your phone where you get all the different apps. You might have already seen Apple CarPlay, which is why you're watching this video and you're wondering how you can get it in your own car. But you can go through all your contacts, recents, dial off there, and it's just a nice seamless system to use. After you have this upgrade, we normally recommend you to use internet radio for your DAB, because the way that you get sound into the system is actually via the Mercedes factory Bluetooth. So it is ideal that your factory Bluetooth is all in good working order, because it will still be the same music quality and phone call quality. When calls come in, you can answer off of your factory steering wheel controls and you just stream the music via the factory Bluetooth source. So any music that I play out of my Apple CarPlay system will come out of the car's speakers and sound just as it did before. But this is a pretty much nice seamless upgrade. You still do have the ability to access the factory system, which you can hold a button to get back to. And we also have obviously a factory reverse camera on this car as well, and that will just show up like so. Go back out of reverse, it'll go back to your Apple CarPlay system. So we keep the reverse cameras working. If you hold this button here, you can also get back to the factory system, and you can check inside there any vehicle settings or anything you'd want to do otherwise. All of that system basically still works in the same way. If you want to get back to your Apple CarPlay, just quick tap of the screen will wake that up and kick us back into Apple CarPlay mode. But yeah, this is a super brief look at the ZZ2 solution. If you have a C-Class, E-Class, whatever class Mercedes, this is for the NTG5 and 5.2 systems, this particular upgrade, but we take out that smaller screen, put in this larger 10.25 widescreen, and yeah, looks the part in there. Perfect. That's pretty much it from this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've got a V-Class, C-Class, E-Class, whatever class, let us know and we can get you in and quoted up for one of these, and yeah, bring you up to date with what the later Mercedes will have. Take care, thanks for watching, and good night.